First, install the tension gauge rocker. Take out the push-pull plate and install the tension gauge. Fix the tension gauge screws to the push-pull plate. Put the screw into the screw hole position and tighten it. There are 4 screw holes. Install another board. Locked with a screwdriver. After the tension gauge is installed, it will be placed on the main frame. Install the sample holder lever arm. Turn the screw to adjust the position of the sample holder. Place the snap-on fabric on the lower fabric clip. The position of the snap should be centered. Press the lever arm of the clamp. Clamp the surrounding fabric. Select the appropriate upper fixture according to the test requirements. Adjustable height of main rod frame. Attach the appropriate upper clamp to the hook of the tension gauge. Rotating right-hand flywheel lowering fixture. Adjust the upper snap clip. Clamp the snap sample into the fixture. Rotate the upper jig knob. The jig only clamps the snap. Adjust the tension gauge dial to 0. Press the on position of the tension gauge. Rocking tension gauge rocker until the snap breaks from the fabric. Record breaking load data.